Shanti, the latest, of course, is that the Prime Minister has spoken to the Kerala Chief Minister. He's, of course, promised all help. The Home Minister has tweeted out promising. Amit Shah has tweeted out, he's suffering from COVID. However, that's the latest that has come in, that he's also tweeted out saying that he's distressed about the tragic accident of the Air India Express aircraft in Kozhikode, Kerala. Have instructed NDRF teams to reach there. Those teams are already there. So a lot of opinion coming in on Twitter with lots of tweets. Air India Express has finally given out an official statement as well, and I want to quickly cut across to that. There's not much right now coming in from Air India Express, but what they are saying is that an incident has taken place. They've given out the details of the aircraft, the number of passengers. They haven't given out the fatalities of those injured yet. What we can tell our viewers right now, of course, is that 3 fatalities have been confirmed. Sadly so, the pilot has been confirmed dead. You gave out the details there. There are 2 passengers as well who are right now dead in this aircraft. What we can see, maybe read as a silver lining at all, if there is one in this air crash, is that many have been in fact rescued. Most of them who were at the tail end of the aircraft have been taken into 3 close by hospitals. Most of them have been taken to NIMS. What did hamper rescue operations as well and possibly contributed to the aircraft skidding off the runway was terrible weather conditions. I have gone through now so many news feeds, and one thread if I can pick up is that it was raining heavily there. This is an airport, this is an airstrip at Karimpur airstrip, which is in any case, has been under the radar of being unsafe. It was given a show cause. This particular airport in Kozhikode was given a show cause notice in 2019 by the DGCA of being possibly unsafe. There have been incidents that have happened before. Many of them have been chronicled by our colleagues in this broadcast as well. The last one of a SpiceJet plane. So it had been under the radar. It was looking at expansion in terms of the airstrip. All of that is of later consequence and maybe to deliberate and conjecture over later. What we can tell our viewers is 45 people are injured. Some of them are critical, is what we know. What we do know right now is that the plane split up. It skid off the runway. It plunged 30 feet below to the valley in front. It was basically like the plane came in and then there was a nosedive. That is how
50 people are missing. Very tragic day. And now in the evening, 7:38, this flight from Dubai, Vande Bharat flight, landed in Calicut Airport. There's extremely severe rain all across Kerala today. So obviously there must have been a lot of water on the runway. The plane landed, I think, on the second attempt, and then it slowed down, and then of course it skidded off the runway and it went down a precipice, and the front portion of this plane got split, and I'm told either of the pilots is dead. I mean, you got to really reconfirm whether this is true or not. This is what I learned from sources. The other pilot is injured. So all those people sitting in the front rows, I'm told, are seriously injured. And now, very lucky, very providential that the plane has not caught fire, because that's what happens generally. It's very providential. So all the people, I'm told, have been rescued and they've been taken to Calicut Medical College, and there are many hospitals in Calicut which are very good.
Is there any information regarding casualties that you are getting from there?
I'm told, and again, we have to reconfirm from my sources, that 2 people had died. Maybe 3, I'm not even very sure. I mean, this is what I learned from my sources. This basically from media sources I learned this. But of course, many people are seriously injured, that's what I learned. And some people have minor injuries. And anyway, it's very lucky that plane didn't catch fire. I think that's very providential.
PM also spoke to the line.
Yes, Punjabi Chain and the Prime Minister, everybody has basically been in touch with the Kerala Chief Minister, Kerala administration, and they are doing everything possible.
सर कैसे देखते हैं स्किडेड प्लेन क्रैश को सर, और क्या जानकारी है?
ये केरला में आज दूसरा ट्रेजेडी है। सुबह में मूनार में ट्रेजेडी था, 80 लोग, और लैंडस्लाइड में सारा उसका घर को ऊपर में मट्टी आया है। 15 लोग डेड हैं और 15 लोग को उधर से रेस्क्यू किया है, बट अभी भी 50 लोग को मिसिंग है, पता नहीं है। और शाम को 7:38 को दुबई से फ्लाइट, वंदे भारत फ्लाइट लैंड किया है कैलिकट में, और सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में लैंड किया है। इसके बाद स्लो डाउन किया, ज्यादा पानी था रनवे में, स्लो डाउन किया। उसके बाद वो रनवे से स्किड हो गया और वो उसके बाद वो बाहर गया और एक डिच था, बहुत ज्यादा डेप्थ डिच था, उसमें गया। उसका प्लेन का फ्रंट पोर्शन स्प्लिट हो गया और मेरा इंफॉर्मेशन है एक पायलट डेड है। आप तो रिकन्फर्म कीजिए तो सही है नहीं है, सही है मुझे पता नहीं है। और फ्रंट पोर्शन में, प्लेन पे फ्रंट पोर्शन में जो लोग था उसको सीरियस इंजरी है और उसको बहुत लकी है, बहुत भगवान का काम है। प्लेन को आग नहीं हुआ है, इट वाज नॉट ऑन फायर, इसलिए तो सारा पैसेंजर्स को रेस्क्यू करने के लिए तो चांस था। इसलिए तो इस एयरपोर्ट से कैलिकट सिटी 25 किलोमीटर है, 50 किलोमीटर है, उधर में मेडिकल कॉलेज है, बहुत अच्छा हॉस्पिटल्स है। सारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और सेंटर का सारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर डायरेक्शन दिया है ठीक से इमीडिएट एक्शन के लिए, और चीफ मिनिस्टर भी इंटरवीन किया है और सारा ऑपरेशन चल रहा है।
सर पीएम मोदी ने भी पिनराई विजयन से, और जिस तरह से आप बता रहे हैं फिलहाल रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन को जानकारी मिली है?
हाँ, रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन चल रहा है। अब डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, सारा पुलिस और सारा फायर फोर्सेस, एवरीबॉडी तो सारा उधर में है। बट सीरियस इंजरी होने का चांस है, लोग इतना बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। बट अच्छा मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी आसपास में भी है, इसलिए तो अच्छा है। पर लेकिन तो ये तो अच्छा एयरपोर्ट है कैलिकट एयरपोर्ट, इधर में वाइट बॉडी बड़ा एयरक्राफ्ट तो लैंड कर रहा है, रोज लैंड कर रहा है, इसलिए तो एयरपोर्ट अच्छा है, सारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, सारा तो ठीक है। पर लेकिन तो प्रॉब्लम है, बारिश में लैंड करने के लिए मुश्किल है, इतना ज्यादा बारिश आज केरला में था। इधर से केरला का दूसरा कोई एयरपोर्ट ये फ्लाइट डाइवर्ट करने का भी चांस नहीं, इतना बारिश केरला में था आज।
AJ Alphonse, former tourism minister, giving us as many details as possible. Preeti, I stopped you there for a moment. We are trying to get the details. The confirmation I'm getting is the pilot and 3 passengers have died at the moment. This is what local channels in Kerala are confirming. 45 people is the number of people who are injured, seriously injured, and have been taken to hospital. A number of people have had minor injuries. All casualties at the moment are from the crew at the moment. So presumably because they were at the front of the aircraft when the plane nosedived, they've been the ones who have been the casualty. 4 dead is what we can confirm at the moment. Yes, Preeti.
You know, Rajdeep, what we can confirm is 4 dead, and there's tragic, news also filtering in. We'll give out the details later, but at least, initial reports seem to suggest that in the passenger list, in the 4, there might even be an infant involved. We don't want to give out the names just yet. We're waiting for a confirmation, but let me take you through with what's coming in right now. Air India, like I said, had given out a statement. So Air India has basically, talked about the plane. It says Air India Express Flight 1344 operated by Boeing 737 aircraft from Dubai to Kohikode overshot the runway at Kohikode at 1941. That is pretty much 7:41 this evening. No fire reported at the time of landing. There are 174 passengers, 10 infants, 2 pilots and 4 cabin crew on board the aircraft. So pretty much corroborates on the number that you just concurred with. As per the initial report, rescue operations are on. Passengers are being taken to the hospital for medical care. We will soon share the update in this regard. So this is the first official confirmation coming in, official statement given out by Air India Express on the number of people on board and the fatalities just yet. This is important, Rajdeep. This is very, very important, and we're going to probably get proper graphics made out and put this as well. And this is a helpline now has been set up for families of passengers on board 1344. This is really important. I want to give out the number. So if there are people who are watching this, I'm going to read this very slow, and we're going to put out a graphic plate very soon to entail the helpline numbers. They've just been given out. People who are watching us are, because there might be a lot of families who are only getting in information right now from news, from television. 0565463903, 0543090572. 2 numbers have been given out, and we are going to be flashing them on our ticker as well. We are going to be flashing them on our ticker as well. These 2 numbers are the helpline numbers. And like I said, a lot of viewers were only gathering information right now. Some of them might have their loved ones on board this flight. These are the numbers you need to call. I'm giving out these numbers there. This is the number that if you want to get any information of your loved one who is on...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.